It's 2:20 in the morning and we're off to the airport soon, and I'm absolutely knackered but dead excited because we're going on holiday again, and I feel like I'm addicted. But there we go, we're off to Spain, so we'll go take you along our journey along with us, and I'll see you all again soon. I think there might be a storm on its own. Might look at the sunburn. I think there might be a storm on the way, but yeah. Interesting morning. I've just realised I'm not actually giving you many details on what I'm doing here. So we're in Son Bou, in a place where Menorca is in Spain. That's Menorca, not Mallorca. Two different islands, smallest islands of the Balearics. And we're staying at Son Bou Gardens, which is what you can see just there. It's a load of apartments basically, typical Spain. But we're here just to relax. I'm with my girlfriend and her family, so we're just going to film what we get up to. I've already shown you my room. I'll show you around the apartments later on as well, so you can have a good feel of what they're like. But it's a typical Spanish apartment in my opinion. But with my birthday too, my birthday week, followed my birthday on Tuesday, so today is the Monday, so my birthday is tomorrow. Weather's not too great today, but it's set to clear up later, which is good because I've caught the sun and fair too much. Got blisters and stuff like that on my shoulder, which ain't good after the first day, so maybe staying indoors for me. Microcross is a bit boring, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what we get up to, but I'm hoping that we'll have a very nice, relaxing summer holiday, and we'll see what else we get up to. That's how bad I've burned. It's got worse. I've blistered real bad always on my shoulder every time I go in. Look at that. So make sure when you're staying in warm heat, always put your sun cream on, and when you do feel yourself burn, just get indoors or something and keep cool, and make sure you drink plenty of fluid because it hurts. We had the World Cup final yesterday too. France won 4-2 against Croatia. Fantastic win for France. They must be delighted. I mean, we felt the pain as England fans of England not actually getting to the World Cup final. It must be heartbreaking for Croatia, but France must be ecstatic. Their second ever World Cup win. Young squad, unlucky not to win the Euros a couple of years ago. Kind of rectified that yesterday. And a very entertaining World Cup final match, which is very unusual. Most normally just finishes 1-0. Individual chances normally, whoever puts the chances away, but yesterday entertaining. I'd say that's best summed up Russia 2018 World Cup. It's been very, very entertaining, and I've really enjoyed it. That's why you should wear sun cream, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the lounge living area, and this is literally just your front door, and there's, as you step out, a little area where you can sit down. Yeah, not too bad. We're currently staying at number 57. I don't know where it's written, but it is somewhere. And you walk in, obviously you got the kitchenette area, so we're looking at a cooker. You got drawers with glasses, bowls in, etc, etc. You got the drawers, sink, freezer, just a small freezer. Currently with my little towel and flannel in to sort out my burns, and then a nice fridge, which is always needed in such temperatures. Television, which I watch the World Cup on. Not the greatest, but did its job, and obviously more appreciative than not watching it at all. There's no air conditioning. Ceiling fans. You got mirror just there. Sink. Washing machine, which is handy. Toilet holder. Toilet roll holder, by the way, that's a little storage place. And a bath with a shower, which we put down there. And then you have my room, again, sorry for the mess, but ceiling fan and two singles pushed together, which makes a double, a little area where you can put your clothes above and in. And you come some towels there, so there's my stuff, and you can hang stuff up. There's plenty of room. One thing I've noticed, always nice to have something that's quite roomy. And you got a kids room with a couple of bunks, not as big, but again with a fan and a drawer area Then another room which is similar to ours. Which, excellent. You interrupted my recording for stubbing your toe. Then you got double bed, which leads to an area which I'll just open up for you, because you've got a little back end entrance which has a small clothes horse thing on, and a little balcony area, and then there's a little bar area and restaurant up there. Pretty neat and tidy, in my opinion. Is the Son Bou Gardens in Son Bou in Menorca. It's a nice place actually. I'm a fan. I do like holidays in Spain. I do like all things Spanish, to be fair. So yeah, it's your vintage self-catering apartment, but it does its job. It's good, local to everything. You can get everywhere. There's bus stops to Mahon just down the road. There's shops, supermarkets. You get all your essentials, restaurants, bars, you name it, and I don't think there's any more you could really want from a nice place to relax. I've got a pool up there as well by that bar restaurant, and there's another pool over on the other side, and I think there might be a third pool. I think it's split into 5 zones, so it's a pretty decent sized resort. But yeah, that's been the week for where we'll be staying. Obviously you got my birthday tomorrow, so I'll take you through that day. I think that we're heading to Mahon. I don't know about that one for factual though, but I'm going to be off now. I'm not going to film it, but I'm going to try and sort out these burns and try and make myself a little better, so it doesn't ruin the rest of the week for me, because honestly it hurts, it really does.
Lekker in water, dan kom ik ermee weer even lekker in.
Hi there guys, so we're from Ciutadella, which sounds a lot like the Citadel from Game of Thrones, but it's actually a small town in Menorca, which used to be the capital of Menorca before Mahon was the capital. We've already been to Mahon, so we thought we'd try it out here to see what it's like. It's nice, it's warm out today, so we're going to just take you around, see what we can find, then head back later. We're nearly at the end of the holiday now. We've got a couple more days left. I hope you're all enjoying the video so far. Don't forget, if you are enjoying the videos, then do leave a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. And I'm going to take you around the rest of what we see for today, tomorrow, then on to Sunday, then we'll head home. Burn update on me. I'm doing okay now. The blizzards are starting to go down and we'll be fine then. So we'll see what we end up with. Right, we're on towards a cliff's edge. I can see Mallorca. I'll try and zoom in for it. I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up or not. It might just be a little bit hazy, but right over there in the far distance is the island of Mallorca. I don't know if you can pick it up or not. When the goal. Yeah, there it is.
I'm gonna have to find some way to get rid of that. I'm not
What's up guys, we're on to our penultimate day now. I'm just going to give you a quick shoulder update. My left shoulder's feeling a lot better. This one, it's still a bit sore. I know it looked quite gross, but that's just scabbing which will eventually fall off. I'm going to attempt some swimming today because I haven't attempted it since the first day, and quite frankly it's warm and I want to cool off, so we'll be doing that. Sorry if I look a little bit rough. It is first thing in the morning, just sorting out my case. We're on our penultimate day. We'll go and sort out some gifts, and once again, like every other day, I'm going to take you guys with me every step of the way. So we'll see what we get up to today. Ah, there's a little puddy cat. Rightio guys, we're through another few hours here in Son Bou in Menorca. We've been by the pool. It's the first time I've had to actually been able to swim because of my burns since Sunday. It was nice and refreshing. It's helped to clear up my sunburns a little bit, which is always quite good. We'll go head out soon, and then we'll go head down to the shops and stuff tomorrow as well. So I'll be taking you along with me, and then that'll probably wrap up the vlog. So I hope you all have enjoyed it so far, like I have. The bin looks like R2-D2. Why? We reserved a table for this. Rightio guys, that brings an end to the holiday near enough. We've got tonight to film. I should imagine it'll be a little bit, it'll probably be the same as yesterday, as we had the Queen and tribute and all that stuff yesterday. We've got an ABBA one today, so I'll see if we can film and get some good stuff for that. If we don't, we don't. We're heading upstairs first for some food, which is a restaurant obviously. So we'll see you for that. Then we head over tomorrow early morning for our flight back to the United Kingdom, and I'll take you along with me there, but that will bring an end to the video. So I'm going to conclude the video right now. I'm going to give some pointers and tips first. So we've come here to Son Bou, that's S-O-N-B-O-U, that's 2 words. It's a Spanish resort. It's basically, we're staying at the Son Bou apartments, Son Bou Gardens, sorry, which is full of apartments, and basically you can privately rent them. So just search for it on Google, and I'm sure imagine you'll find some stuff. We're here from the middle of July, so we went from the 15th to the 22nd, which is just before the summer holidays in the United Kingdom's hit. It's going to be hitting Saturday now when I film this, so they'll be hitting right now, so I imagine things are probably going to start getting busy very soon. So I imagine the prices will probably increase as the school holidays hit. But it is a nice place, it's a family place. I wouldn't recommend this place if you come in as like a group of like teenagers or people in their early 20s and stuff like that. That's kind of what the other islands in the Balearics are for, which is Mallorca. That's with a J, not Menorca, and also Ibiza. You can go and stay there instead. I imagine they're a little bit more lively with more stuff to do. This is more vacated for people with small children, so that's ranging from anyone from about 1 year old through to people that are primary school ages into the early teenagers, I'd say. And that's kind of what it is here. So it's been an enjoyable holiday. It's been warm. Make sure you apply your sun cream. If you want to eat food, then there's places on resort that you can go and eat at. I do recommend the sangria, the jugs of sangria at the San Jamie, I think it's pronounced, that's J-A-I-M-E, which I've done no idea how that's pronounced in Spanish. Maybe leave that in the comments below so you can help improve my Spanish, because it's a little bit embarrassing. But yeah, I recommend the sangria there. Food, pizzas and stuff like that aren't great, I'm going to be completely honest, but the bakery does some nice pizzas. That's also on resort. They've got a supermarket and stuff like that, so if you have a flick around on Google, you'll imagine you'll be able to find everything that you need. But that's the holiday sorted. We're in the middle of trying to sort out another holiday, hoping to do long haul for next year, so I'll take you along with me again there if that ends up materialising. If it does, I'll let you know on Twitter, so make sure you follow me on that. Check that's in the description below. And also we're heading out to Poland in December, so we've got another 5 or 6 months to wait before our next trip. Again, I'll take you along with me if you are interested, so do subscribe with your notifications on. We're going to be resuming normal uploads again at some point in the week, because I'm still not home. Even when I've edited this up, I still won't be home to normal uploads, but hopefully soon we will, and then we'll have daily uploads from there, so you can go check them out. Check out my other videos. Like I said, social media links there in the description below. We'll see what we get up to tonight and tomorrow, and then that'll be the end of the vlog, and we'll be back to normal uploads. So hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all again very soon for more holiday vlogs and normal uploads. So it's been JSGC. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Peace. Ciao for now.